Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get RGB tabs on Google Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. This submenu gives you quick access to manage your Chrome extensions and discover new ones. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions and themes. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll notice a search bar positioned at the top of the page. Click on this search bar to activate it, and then type in Neon Kingdom. This is the specific extension that will transform your Chrome tabs into vibrant RGB displays. After typing the name, hit enter or click the search icon to find the extension. When the search results appear, look for the Neon Kingdom extension and click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will show you details about the extension, including screenshots, user reviews, and what features it offers. Take a moment to review this information if you'd like, but when you're ready to proceed, locate the Add to Chrome button on the extensions page and click it. Chrome will then prompt you to confirm the installation and may show you what permissions the extension needs. Simply follow the prompts to complete the installation. Now that the extension is installed, it's time to see it in action. Open a new tab in your Chrome browser and you'll immediately notice that your tabs have transformed into a colorful RGB display with vibrant neon colors cycling through them. This gives your browser a modern, eye-catching look that stands out from the standard Chrome appearance. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Chrome browser with RGB tabs using the Neon Kingdom extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.